In this video, I will show you one PowerShell script. From that you can ping multiple IP addresses in same time. And first I will write that script, then I will explain that script, and then we will test. So let me just type that script. So in this first line, I am just mentioning IP addresses, all the IP addresses which I want to ping in a same time. So here I have mentioned these 4 IP addresses. In the fourth line, it will just test the connection with each IP addresses, and in the next line I will mention which IP is available in the network which are reachable. So those will be shown in green color, and in the next line, which IP are not available, which are not reachable, so those will be shown in red color. It means those are offline. So I have mentioned, I have write this script here, and now we will test this script. So here we have this button, play button, so I will click on this script. So as these IP are reachable, so it is showing in green color, so it means these are reachable, and one IP is not reachable, so it is showing in red color. So it means 192.168.1.10 it is offline, so it is showing in red color. So this is the quite simple process. We will save this script and run with PowerShell directly. I will just click on save, and I will save on desktop. I will provide the name. Now this is our script, and here I will just right click on this script and run with PowerShell. So now it will directly start to checking all the IP address which are available in this script. So it check all the IP address, but window is suddenly gone, so we will add one pause button here and save it again. Now we will run this PowerShell script again. So this time it will check all the IP addresses which are available in the network. It will show in green. Which are not available, it will show in red color. So now it is showing us the result also. So if we want to close this window, we have the results in front of us. So now we can press enter to close the window. So it's a quite simple process, and I will share this script in the description box. Maybe sometime if you want to check multiple IP address connectivity, so then you can use this script. And if you will found this video helpful, so just subscribe the channel. I will create more videos on PowerShell script. I will try to create more videos on useful PowerShell script. Thank you so much. Keep supporting.